Christmas! So for today's video, we will prepare a buko salad. It's a buko fruit salad. So let me introduce to you the recipe that I have here. So the ingredients would be nata de coco. This is the nata de coco. And this is the cherry. And this is kaong. And this one is the cheese. Then of course we have here the buko or the coconut. Young coconut. And then we also have here some fruits, which are the apples, grapes, and mango. Then of course we have the all-purpose cream, Nestle all-purpose cream, and the condensed milk. We also have here the evaporated milk. So I have na-reverse ko yung baliktad siya. But anyway, that's the evaporated milk. So yeah, let's get started with the mixing. I would start by putting this apple in here. Actually, you can just put it all together, as easy as that. So we'll put also the grapes together with the apple. Be a quick one. Just put it all there. And of course, we'll not include the big seed of the mango. So next would be the mango. There. Alright. There they go. And then we'll also we wanna put this one. In preparing the buko salad, you don't really need to follow, the normal step. Just add which is you think would be easier for you. It's just a matter of mix and match. There. Then the next one is the evaporated milk. Can you see that? Let's put it all here. It's finished. Then the next one would be the condensed milk, so that to sweeten our salad. I really don't want the salad to be so sweet, so we'll just put it with one condensed milk. And no more honey or sugar to add up. It's done. And let me just finish the other kind. So our container is almost full. Let's see which one else would be. Or if we could put the buko salad in full, or we have to transfer the other to the other container so that we can finish it all. So there. Next, let's just mix it for a while. Then we'll try to put this buko. Let me just put the half first, to make sure that it will not overflow. We can just add it up if there's still space later. Kakabuhay na ang salad natin. Ayan. So we'll just put this all here. Nata de coco. Makulay ang cherry. Then the cheese. I want really to put the cherry at the top, so it will be like our decoration. Let's mix it so that could be evenly distributed. Walang lamangan, charot. Saan ba natin yung sauce? Excuse me. So there. Just put it like that. Wala nang design. Nailagay lang. Gusto ko siyang itap. Ayos na, yung cherry. There you have it. This is our fruit salad. Fruit buko salad. As easy as that.